How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time to walk you through two trades I caught today. One of them was during the live with you all on YouTube, and another was by myself. Gene and I took it inside Team Bull. Anyways, let's talk about the first trade. So I'm just going to start you off from the beginning. So here's the opening 5-minute candle. Had a nice move down. We got our 15-minute range in, which is this blue box you see here on my screen. Then on this candle here, we had a nice strong close below with rising volume, okay? Increasing volume. And that's exactly what you want to see, but this is very important. There's no way I would enter shorts right here at the close of this. Way too much risk on this, even at our entry, which was this Asia high 15-minute range low where I wanted a short entry to be. There was still a little more risk on this candle than I liked. So I told everyone, I said, we got to adjust our position size. So we lowered our position size. That way, when we got in the trade, we wasn't stressed out, wasn't worried about blowing accounts. We was doing this right. So we got in, had our hard stop here, and it ended up doing exactly what we wanted. Got in at 604 was my average. Made a nice move down. I made right at $700 off this trade. Now let's talk about the second trade I took. So this was, I told everyone, my main reject area after we had this move up here. I wasn't interested in shorting this again. So I was more interested in this pre-market low and this point of control for shorts. We pushed up to this pre-market low. Really wasn't much risk on this trade at all. I got in and I mismanaged my trade a little. This is the only reason I'm still not in it. But I ended up catching a move down all the way back down to this 15-minute range low. And ended my day right at 1,600 on the day. It's my second four-figure day of the week trading with you all. And I just want to say this. I know I talked about it during the last video, but this has been one of the craziest starts to a year I've ever had. We've had one day this year that we've had a losing trade, and that was on a Friday. Other than that, we've had all winning trades this year. I'm trying my best to end the first month of this year with one loss. Let me rephrase that, one red day. But if you have any more questions about these, feel free to reach out to me, and feel free to tap into the lives. I go live every single morning, daily Q&A, good vibes, just, good live all around. So if you're interested, tune in for that. And that's it. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.